I have never received so many requests to do a video tutorial, but today I'm going to walk you through how to buy the Bobcat Miner. It's arguably the best, the most profitable, which is largely based around the fact you are more than likely going to get this Helium miner sooner than any other ones if you were to order them today. I'm going to be walking you through purchasing them. I'm going to show you how, but if you want a quick answer on why, the Bobcat Miner is just simply the best Helium miner to buy. We've done a lot of testing. It's the most profitable because you're most likely to get it the soonest. These guys literally specialize in manufacturing, and that's why they are beating their shipping estimates, whereas everyone else keeps delaying. Oh, and helium mining is super cool and profitable, and it's the most fun I've had mining crypto in years. Somehow, if you didn't know, MugglePay is absolutely trash. But fortunately, Bobcat has upgraded to Coinbase Commerce, which is their updated way to buy the Bobcat Miner. So let's go ahead, run 10 seconds of tails, something we always do here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. She's our resident Dogecoin and the most beautiful Shiba in the world. My name is Vosk, and if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button and join me on this crazy crypto journey. Please watch out for scammers and impersonators in the comment section below or on social media. And it's not only just people impersonating VoskCoin, right? There's also fake Bobcat Miner websites. So please use our link in the video description below, the VoskCoin short link, to ensure that you end up at the correct destination. It's also an affiliate link, so you support the channel when you use it. It doesn't cost you anything, and honestly, it means a lot and it helps us keep ads off of our videos. So thank you if you do choose to use it and support us. The Bobcat Miner 300, the people's miner. So real quick, if you look at the different Helium Hotspot miners, there's not a lot of differences. Some of the differences with the Bobcat Miner is that they claim to have basically better storage, a better processor, and most notably, their 4 dBi antenna is different than many of the other manufacturers. I get incredible coverage with my Bobcat miners with their stock antenna. I don't recommend upgrading it if you live in an urban or suburban area. If you're rural, you always want to go to basically just a massive dBi antenna and try to reach those city slickers. So with that in mind, let's look at actually ordering the miner, right? So we're on the site, we click order, just start it over, right? So we click order, and this is the page that's pulled up. They only offer 2 frequency options: North America, US 915, that includes like Canada. And then they also have Europe, 868, which includes Europe and also some other interesting regions like South Africa. They do not currently offer the Indian frequency, the Australian frequency, or the Chinese frequency. These frequencies are important that you are running the correct miner, otherwise you are technically doing illegal things and bad things could happen. If you're looking for some other miners with some other frequencies, check out our links in the video description below. I'm in Virginia, North America, and obviously I would order the 915, but I'm actually gonna send one to my buddy today, and he's in Europe. So I simply obviously just input my email and my shipping address. And from there, I'm going to click continue. It's gonna be like, yo, you wanna drop ship this? Cause you can't come and pick it up. And I'm like, yep. So I'm going to continue to payment. They have recently switched from MugglePay to Coinbase Commerce. It's incredibly better than MugglePay. MugglePay is synonymous with trash, but they had to run with what they could when they first started. And now they've upgraded to Coinbase Commerce, and it's absolutely fantastic. So you're going to pay with crypto, so you can just use same address, and you can click pay with Coinbase or simply USD coin. So I like to use USD coin. So it's going to give me the exact amount I need and the USDC address. Very simple, very straightforward. You're just going to copy the address. and send it there. But let's say you want to pay with Coinbase, and I'm already logged in, but I have insufficient USDC funds. Critical note here, I have enough money in my Coinbase account to be able to do this. And this is a total ripoff, by the way, but I'll just keep it simple. You should be using Coinbase Pro. The fees are incredibly better, but we're just going to go ahead and keep it simple, right? But my point is that my portfolio now has enough USDC. It has more than enough. And so now I've got to reinitiate the transaction. I'm going to pay with Coinbase. I'm already logged into Coinbase. It's going to pool my balance. You can see that I have enough. And here's the key thing. It was an issue with MugglePay is they didn't input the network fee for you. It's all here. It's all automatic. The easiest way to buy this is with Coinbase and having USDC in there. You click pay with Coinbase, you click pay now. I have 2FA, two-factor authentication enabled on my Coinbase. So I have to enter this code to be like, yo, that's me and I'm the one buying a Bobcat. Literally just like that, you just bought a Bobcat miner. It's that easy, it's that straightforward. And so from here, I can click the receipt. But you may be like, Vosk, how did you even get USDC? Well, there's a couple different ways. So you need to log into your Coinbase account. If you don't have one, you can set one up. It's incredibly easy and straightforward. After that, you click buy. And once you click buy, you can select the coin you want. For example, USDC. $500 will be enough to buy the miner as well as any fees and shipping. With this, I'll just pay with my bank account, right? But if you pay with your bank account, there's normally a wait time. So how do you buy USDC instantly? You click pay with, you come down here and you add options. You can use a debit card or you can use PayPal. And with these, you'll be able to buy it instantly without the wait times because there's a lag. When your bank transfers the money to Coinbase, they have to verify that happened, it gets there, and then they release your purchase to you. But there are some other options. One of my favorite options is using the crypto.com app. You get 25 bucks for free if you use our link and sign up. And I think you still get 10 bucks for free, maybe 20 bucks for free if you sign up for Coinbase with our link. I'll have all those down in the video description below. But hey, any money made is money saved as far as I'm concerned, or money earned. But anyway, my point is that you can buy and sell Helium HNT in the crypto.com app, and you can buy USDC in there, and you can buy it instantly with a debit card. And they have better limits, hold times, and minimums than say Coinbase. But wait, there's more. Obviously Binance, but I'm a US citizen and they banned me. And Binance US supports USDC, or I can just use a VPN and go into the real Binance, but that's not a place I like to keep my funds because they can kick me out and take my money. It's pretty devastating because I lost some money because of exactly that. Say I want to use Binance US. I can buy some cryptocurrency on here. They all offer different options and ways to buy. Then all you need to do is have enough USDC in here and you can withdraw it. And from there, you're able to go ahead and pay for your miner. But wait, there's more. KuCoin is another option, and it's available to most people everywhere in the world, including US citizens. They also support USDC, so you can withdraw from there, and withdrawing to the checkout option. So let me show you again exactly what I'm talking about. So I set up another order to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So instead of paying with Coinbase, I would just click USDC. And from there, it will actually prompt you to use your MetaMask if you have that set up and installed. But what you're really looking for is just your USDC address. And so for example, I would just come in here and put in my USDC address and click withdraw. Remember, you have to account for the transaction fee. So if there's a transaction fee of 20 USDC from Binance or Binance US, and I needed to send, let's pull the exact amount, You know, we're doing an exact amount here. So I need this much. So you're thinking, oh, I'll withdraw that. Wrong. You're going to underpay and you're going to have a bad time. So we need to account for that, right? So we just added $20. We double check. We need $497.74 in USDC, which is a one-to-one, you know, tethered pair here. So by adding the $20 transaction fee back, I can withdraw from Binance US. And this is true for any other app, right? If I'm withdrawing from Crypto.com's app or KuCoin or BlockFi or any other cryptocurrency exchange where I can move USDC, or even simply say like my own Ethereum wallet that can trade these ERC20 tokens like MetaMask, that's what I need to do. And after several minutes, the status will go from pending to completed. I can even click view payment, and you can see 7 minutes ago, this was completed, verified on the blockchain, and that's it. You're good to go. Bobcat is swamped, so they may not be quick to respond or anything like that, but rest assured, you're gonna be good to go. They are fulfilling all of the orders that they receive that are successfully paid. I actually think it's really cool that you can only buy a Bobcat miner with cryptocurrency, specifically because, one, it's like a freaking badge of honor. Buy a crypto miner with crypto because they're a good company. You can trust them. It's not sketchy. You don't have to worry about it in that regard, right? But it also has increased that barrier to entry to buy these, which is why they have received lower orders than some of the other manufacturers, right? Because if you can just swipe the old credit card, or you can just click, pay with PayPal, you're likely to do that. One, the ease of use. Two, the buyer protection. And that's exactly why the people who decided to order the Bobcat, at the same time other people were pre-ordering other Helium Hotspot miners, those guys are still waiting, and the people who bought the Bobcats are already mining, or they're gonna be getting their miners very soon. So I absolutely recommend just keep it simple, pay with Coinbase, let them do the hard work for you, right? Just click, check out, keep your life simple if you're a noob. Otherwise, you know, just account for whatever withdrawal fee or transaction fee you need to. Send your USDC from any wallet. Just make sure it gets there quickly because your transaction will time out eventually. You have a while because USDC is a stable coin, so it's not like the prices are fluctuating all over the place. But again, they all have just fail safes in place where they just don't hold orders open indefinitely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video walkthrough. I know it's a little bit overdue, but I was waiting until they moved to Coinbase Commerce, and unfortunately that took longer than I anticipated. But I'm absolutely thrilled that they are using Coinbase Commerce over MugglePay, because MugglePay is just absolutely trash. I know some people had a bad experience with that. And I think it's great that they only accept one cryptocurrency on one blockchain. That's USDC, ERC20, an Ethereum token on the Ethereum blockchain. That way, no one is sending USDT to a USDC address. There's no mix-ups. There's no confusions. Keep it simple. Keep it straightforward, just like we do here at the VoskCoin YouTube channel. So if you enjoyed this video and you're not already, please subscribe. We're chasing 1 million subscribers. Smash the thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let me know if you're going to order a Bobcat or you're not, and if this video helped or anything that I could have done better. Please watch out for our daily uploads. I'll see you on the next video.